Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to day two of 7 days of blessings. 7 days, two blessings. All right, people, let's be honest. How many of you have completed your day one? Please understand this exercise, this transformation exercise is not for me, it's for you. I have done my bit. It's your time, right? So please go ahead and do it for those who have not completed their day one. And for the ones who have completed day one, congratulations, pat your back because you have done something good. You are ready to transform your life. You're ready to bring that change in your life. All right. So let's move into day two. What is day two all about? Day two is about hindrance and blockages. Do you know the biggest reason we are not able to move ahead in our life is the hindrance and blockage that we are facing, right? So we really need to work on these hindrance and obstacle. But the problem is when we look into these hindrance and obstacle, what we do is we end up getting stuck there. We need to keep moving. We need to move in the direction of our dreams and goals. I'm asking you to figure out your hindrance and obstacle not because I want you to go ahead and stay in that energy, but okay, let's take this as an example. You know what happens when you go to a doctor? The doctor first asks you 10 different questions and then diagnose your disease or ask you to get some tests done. Why is he doing that? Because he needs to know the problem. He needs to diagnose the problem before he gives any kind of cure to you guys. Same way, in our life, we need to know what are our problems. Till the time we do not know our problems, we will not come to a solution. And that is like really important. Okay, so that is most important to figure out what are the problems that we are facing and how do we work on that. So people, I'm going to ask you to write down your hindrance and obstacle that you're feeling are in your life and are blocking you from going ahead in your dreams and desires. All right, now these hindrance can be of two types. The one is the external hindrance. It could be your family, your friends, your society, your pressure that you're facing. Okay, these hindrances are external, okay, and these can be resolved. And these can be resolved very easily with one factor, and that one factor is my second hindrance or second obstacle. Do you really want to know what is it? If you want to know, comment below. I am open to let go of hindrances. I am open to live a beautiful life. You can comment any of these. I am open to live a beautiful life, or I am open to let go of my hindrance and obstacle. All right. So let me come back to what is the hindrance or obstacle, the major one, the second type of hindrance and obstacle, which doesn't allow you to achieve your dreams and goals. This is internal hindrance or internal obstacles. These are the most difficult one. And once you start dealing with these hindrance and obstacle, you will find your path. The internal hindrance and obstacles are our thoughts, our beliefs, and the way we are grown up, the way our programming is. Our childhood programming leads us to think of us in a certain manner. How many of us get lost in a particular role? Say you are a mother or a father or a daughter or a son. So you get stuck in that role and you forget about yourself. Or many a times you judge yourself just because on the basis of that role. Just because you're not a good mother, you feel you're not the best. The motherhood is a test. Okay, so you do not have to think that, okay, if I'm failing here, I'm going to fail in every aspect of my life. All right, so the internal hindrance and obstacle are the most important ones. And you really need to work on this. The ones who have studied cost accounting would know that there's something called as 80-20 principle. Well, 80-20 principle is applied in every area of your life. The internal obstacle are approximately 80%. Let's understand. When you go to your family member and say, I want to do this thing, how certain are you about it? Many a times you go and say, what do you think? Should I be doing this degree? Should I be doing this course? Do you think I'm good at it? Why do you need that external validation? Why someone else has to tell you that you should go ahead and do it? That's your internal hindrance and obstacle. How about you just go and say, I want to do this? And you'll be able to say that only if you're operating with something called as confidence. And this confidence comes with the way you see yourself. How are you seeing yourself today? Is again a part of your strength or obstacle. Which bucket are you going to put it in? So it's your choice. So what do you want to do now? Do you want to figure out your internal and external hindrance and obstacle and work on it? Coming back to 80-20 principle, it's very, very important. Okay, let's take a very simple example. How many of you have gone to your kitchen? I'm sure everyone has, right? If you observe your kitchen, 80% of your things are something bought by 20% of the money spent on developing your kitchen. I'm talking about your plates, your spoons, your glasses, and all that stuff. But what about the other 20%? You might have spent 80% of your money on it. That could be your microwave, your chimney, and other stuff. This is the principle of life. The one who understands the 80-20 principle can live life easily. I'm giving this to you because I want to see a better and a brighter future for you people. I'm looking forward for your progress. Are you in? If you are, comment below. I am ready to progress in my life. I want to see that commitment. I want to see that thing in you that changes everything, and that is the confidence and commitment. Are you ready? I'm putting in my time and energy for this, and I want you to put yours. It will help you. Okay, so I repeat myself, what is day 2 about? Day 2 is all about finding your hindrance and obstacle, the blockages, so that we can overcome them. And what are these hindrance and obstacles? There are two kind of them, the external and the internal. What you can do is, after you have done writing your blockage and hindrances, you can always categorize them into external and internal hindrances. And you will be surprised to see the internal are stronger. Maybe your external hindrances look 80% in total, but if you see, they value only 20%, right? And I also want you to do one more exercise, that is rating your confidence on a scale of 0 to 10. Where do you stand in terms of your confidence? And ask yourself, where do you want your confidence to be? All right. So guys, keep moving ahead in the journey of your dreams. Don't step back. You have taken this commitment. Complete the 7 days. And I'm here with you. And for the ones who feel they cannot handle the hindrance and obstacle, you can always connect with me. You can also take a personal reading, a personal coaching with me, and we will work together on your journey. I can only show you the path. The one who has to walk is you. If you're ready to take that whole commitment of walking your own, I am here with you. All right. I'll see you tomorrow, same time, that is 11:15 a.m. And I hope you guys do the work. It's for you and it's for your better life. All right. And make sure that you're sharing this video series with the people who are in need. Till tomorrow, stay strong, stay healthy, stay blessed. And make sure that you're doing this work with complete honesty. It's for your betterment. All right. I'll see you tomorrow, 11:15 a.m. Take care. Bye-bye.